What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video. This difference is going to be a little different. Shout out to my man Third Era. I was called out by Ed to do the Real Music Challenge. So y'all see my $1,000 head unit right here, my dual deck. I will be doing an update video on this real soon here, man. But doing a Real Music Challenge in some real bad weather, man. We got some snow going on around here, and these winds are real solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and chill in my truck for a minute while doing this Real Music Challenge, man. I don't know what's gonna be the deal with the copyright deal. Real Music Challenge, shout out to it. But let's see what YouTube got to say about it. As I was telling my man Third Era, there ain't nothing in here. We got the Bose right there, Bose over here. Ain't nothing in this truck except for this thing right here, man. It's a good old Walmart head unit. So excuse the gloves, y'all know I'll be working, man. Oil the gloves over there. Do got some Kansas City Chiefs gear in here. We ain't gonna talk about Mahomes in that Super Bowl, but did have to go find this. This thing, I mean, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera how dusty it is, man, but hopefully y'all can see that little indentation. I had like a bucket of screws sitting on it. I don't use CDs anymore. Y'all might hear that in the background. This is the 54th platoon. Let me see if I can turn this up and get that. That's a Real Music Challenge right there. Let me go on that. Hold on. Let me get my song. Alright, so with this head unit, man, I just can't find the right tune. Let me turn this thing off. I can't find the right tuning on it, man, but I mean, for $100 is decent. But like I said, I'll do a review on that sooner or later. But let's get this joker here open. Maybe I'll open up here. Damn zipper wrap. All right. And as I open it, there's a freaking Band-Aid in there, man. So that should let y'all know how long ago it's been since I've opened this thing. But make sure I got the zipper all the way back. Let's take a look, see what I got in here. Got some DVDs, country rap tunes, some hip hop. We got this. See, let me eject this and see what we're working with on this one. All right. So there you go. Oh, flip it over. 54 platoon. I don't know if y'all remember them. All or Nothing. FUBU Records. I think this came out. I don't know. Maybe around 2000, something like that. Probably about around the time when I bought this damn thing back when I was in high school. So let's see this. It might be a LimeWire mix. I don't know. I can't remember what was up your LimeWire that we were burning CDs off of. I don't know if this counts for the Real Music Challenge. If not, I'm pretty sure I got to have a CD in here somewhere. But let's turn up, see what we got.
DJ Khaled, we the best. I'm going in. I do it for the hood, 'cause the hood told me I should. You make the hood, and you going hard. You don't stress, tell niggas that we the best. You can't stop this. Fuck the best, we run this game. Kanye West got me the best. You want to get rid of me? What you gon' do when the nigga gonna go hard? But I won't let you get to me. This is all that nigga I'ma go hard. If you was that feeling me, you would never let another nigga step in your yard. Like your brother did shit to me, this is in my face and it gets to my heart. So I DJ Khaled, we the best season as return. 'Cause I'm out here grinding. I do this for this.
I'm gonna just skip through some of
I
this.
got to like the dogs. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
one.
I'm just skipping through some of these tracks, man. Like I said, I don't know what the copyright is going to be on it, but I guess we'll find out.
What's happening, baby? Let your little one fly and tell you what's going on with him. It's Plies, baby.
It's on the Plies.
Can you please,
And that's probably it. Is she gonna skip or she gonna play it? She's gonna skip. That's exactly what I was expecting, man. I don't really use CDs anymore, man. Let me take a look. Let me get this out. And like I said, I'm gonna actually use a real CD. I don't know if that actually counts because it's technically still.
rap shit.
That's still a mix. That's the USB, which I'm always using. That and the SD card. But all right, let's see. I got DVDs, more platinum mixes. Oh crap, the wind's going crazy. All right. Come on, man. This is way harder than I expected. Prop this up a little bit more. All right, more DVDs. H-Town. I know I'm crazy about Houston Sing. More DVDs. So I guess maybe now y'all can see the thing, man. I don't really use CDs. If anything, it'll be DVDs. Looks like we got Choices, 3 6 Mafia, Van Helsing, Walk Hard, Pulp Fiction, over there, Iron Man, and the 40-Year-Old Virgin. Let's see. Final Destination, Rick Ross, I think that's a movie. Too Fast, Too Furious. So that should let y'all know about how old this thing is. All right, now we do got a real Snoop Dogg CD. Let's take a look, see what else we got. We got some Al Green. Might play that. Some stuff missing. And back to DVDs and a bunch of X-Men DVDs. That and Spider-Man used to be my cartoon, so that's why I got those DVDs. And we get to the back to where I got mail in this damn thing. But we do have some Puff Daddy before he was P. Diddy, so we'll get that jamming. Let's try this. This is one of my favorites. I don't know if it's actually going to play. I think this came out maybe around 2000. H-Town on the Road's a DVD with a soundtrack, so hopefully that'll go Real Music Challenge. If not, like I said, we'll jump into this Puff Daddy here, and we'll get to see how bad this stuff gets to skipping, man. But let me turn it up.
I've been chilling with my kinfolk. Where you been, bro? I've been chilling with my kinfolk. With my kinfolk, big ballin' with my kinfolk. Where you been, bro? I've been chilling with my kinfolk. Where you been, bro? I've been chilling with my kinfolk. Where you been, bro? I've been chilling with my kinfolk. With my kinfolk, all in with my kinfolk. I've been receiving my bricks, getting blazed and count.
Hold it down. Hold it down. We gon' hold it down. We gon' hold it down. Hold it down.
There's my song.
From behind the Cotton to the Astrodome. Big money, Texas, nigga, that's our home. I'm double about the blocks like my name was Jesse Owens. Turning head, eyes looking from the shine that's glowing. I keep a big body going down the avenue dipping. Behind 10 and I'm sipping, ain't no time for tripping. Hot miles, motherfucker, I get high as a cloud. Stuck in traffic, people looking off my screw bang loud. Ride through the south side. Dirty.
So that should be a shout out. That should be a shout out to all my H-Town people. If you're on the Houston scene or you was following that back in, like I said, maybe around 2000.
Oh, I search it.
Pause that. But as we keep the Real Music Challenge going along, man, once again, shout out to my man Third Era. Let's try this P. Diddy back, or Puff Daddy and the Family. Like I said, this is before he even thought about being P. Diddy. I can almost guarantee we're gonna hear some skipping on this one. Let's see.
One, two. Check me out right here, yo.
Yo, the sun don't shine forever, but as long as it's here, then we might as well shine together. Better now than never. Yo, this makes, you know what I'm saying? You got niggas that don't like me for whatever reason. You got niggas that don't want to see me, bitch. You got niggas that's mad, cause I'm...
Alright, man, I gotta pause that. I know it's some old school P. Diddy, man, but like I said, that I'm pretty sure that's gonna get me with the copyright heavy, man. So I hope I ain't making this video in vain, man. I don't know, should we jam some of this old Snoop Dogg? Let me get this out and see what we got going. Y'all gotta forgive me for skipping the songs, man, but like I said, I know YouTube is gonna flag my channel for having this stuff playing, so.
No, I'm searching for a hit. I just need.
Let's try this Snoop Dogg and see what we get. I'm trying to do 10 seconds on the song just to make sure this video don't get flagged, but we'll see.
Hey, ushers, deacons, lock the door.
First of all, give it honor to God and all the ministers on the pulpit.
Hang out till the sun comes up, the wheels fall off, and the truck comes up, 'cause I hang out, keep my block.
Yeah, brand new Snoop Dogg.
Every dog has his day.
Another.
Hey, what's up, my nigga?
Shit, just chillin', what's happening? Yeah. You know how we do it. Little something for the non-believers.
Hey, shout out to my man Third Era, man. He about to have me mess around and try to ride home on these CDs, man. Let's get that Al Green. I'm gonna put that Al Green. We gonna end it, man.
Meal.
Gotta keep posting that Big Crit, man. Y'all know I'm a Big Crit fanatic. Now that was now his CDs. I always buy them. I was trying to find all my Big Crit CDs because I got quite a bit of a little bit of selection from him, man. Because pretty much everything he dropped in the stores. That is not something I hit with the iTunes or anything like that. I actually go buy his CDs. Him and Tech 9, but. And my Tech 9 CDs, I don't know where those are at either, but let's end this on this Al Green. Or not. Okay, maybe not. I think Al Green is stuck in the damn, all right, the Notorious Big stuff. Yeah, okay. All right, Al Green was stuck in there, so let's see what happens with this. That's horrible. Shout out to the Real Music Challenge. That should let y'all know how far away it's come from using CDs to a USB or a doggone SD card. That might not even load. Uh-oh.
I'm so tired of phone now.
That's gonna skip all day.
Call me, call
Where my song at?
Love and happiness. Yeah. Something that can make you do wrong, make you do right. Yeah. Love. Love and happiness. But wait a minute, something's going wrong. Someone's on the phone. 3 o'clock in the...
All right, so like I said, man, shout out to my man Third Era. Ed, what's up? You called me out on the Real Music Challenge. Hopefully that was good enough for you. You can see my old busted CD case here. Like I said, man, this thing has been sitting around for quite some time. I did acquire this, I think maybe back in 2000, something like that, man. I know I was in high school when I got it, so somewhere around then. We'll go ahead and end it on Al Green. At the end of the day, with all the clips that I did, hopefully I can go ahead and upload this thing, because all that music is copyright unfriendly when it comes to uploading them. So we'll see what happens, man. I guess as far as my challenge, I'll call out my man RVH, Robert Van Hoy. I know you're a trucker. Hopefully you got some CDs in that truck, man, or you're gonna have to pull off. Go stop at a Loves or a Sap Brothers, man. Grab some CDs and get your video uploaded, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Y'all know the deal. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up. Sooner or later I will be doing a video on this head unit, but I guess this is a nice little preview for y'all to see how it works on CDs, man. So y'all enjoy your days. RVH, you've been challenged. Go ahead for the Real Music Challenge, man. I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one.